we just got a new laser pointer as an Easter present for my grandma. Well, it didn't have to be, but I'm considering that. And mix that with new kittens that are about a month old.
9 weeks.
9 weeks. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Ah, there it is. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Get it. Get it. Ah, I missed it. Just barely. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah. And there's Sasabel. The one that's playing right now is Friggs. Yes, I know, it's a weird name. My mom came up with it. Sasabel is what it looks like, a Siamese. She's half Siamese, blue point. And she's quite mouthy. But at night, she is the most pathetic cat you've ever known, and in the morning. Right, Ma?
Yep.
Sassy will be coming pretty soon. Uh-oh. 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 She got it! And there it is again. I'm being attacked. I'm trying to get Ash to play. That is Ash. Hey! Stop attacking me!
You don't even care about it.
He used to.
Ash is boring. Sassy is fun. Let's wear them out before we go to bed.
Why, so there won't be any broken glass?
Yeah.
Tell him the story about the broken glass while we're playing.
Oh, how I woke up in the middle of the night to crash?
Yeah. Tell him what it was.
It was my hurricane lamp.
Yeah. And its life ended in a hurricane.
Hurricane of kid!